So here I have Nike Air Zoom KH3. It's a tennis shoe, but is widely used for a lifestyle use, and I'm going to make a short review of it. Very beautiful color combination, and for tennis players, they have actually molded the outsole in the form of a human heel and the toe sections, and excluding the midsection from that extra rubber to put the shoe in the final design as a lightweight shoe. It's a lightweight shoe. It's not very despite the extra rubber, it's not a very heavy shoe. A very foamy and a snugging sock liner. A very beautiful design, I would say. And for the traction, they have used this extra outsole, and the design and the overlay of this white section you can see covering this upper. So that's a very good traction that they have provided for tennis players for the longer strides during the play, and for snacking the feet, they have this long lace section. A very nice shoe indeed. So you can use this shoe for a professional tennis if you are playing one, or you can use it as a beautiful lifestyle sneaker.